Hello everyone, and welcome to another newsletter from Nordic Anglers. Winter is upon us, and we're very happy for that because winter is, of course, fly tying season. So we have just an enormous amount of orders for fly tying just now, and thank you everyone, every one of you out there who has been using our shops and purchasing a lot of stuff. And what I want to share with you today and tell you a little about today is we have made probably the biggest sale of all time here at Nordic Anglers, and we have decided to basically trim down a bit on some of the fly tying articles we have. We have more than 14,000 products in stock, and basically what we have done is we've looked at all our stock and all our inventory, and then we have decided to reduce some of the very well selling products in some of the a bit off colors. So basically, an example could be this. This is a sculpted flesh fiber. We carry this in around 70 different colors, but it's not all 70 that are, selling as well as we would like. We like all of the colors, but it's not all of them that are as good sellers as we hope for. This basically means that in order for us to continue moving forward and growing and stuff, we have decided to make this really, really big sale. And what we've done is we've taken more than 1,200 products, and then we've marked them down to around 1.3 euros. And that is no matter what the recommended retail price was. Then we've taken 1,600 products and we marked them down to 2.6 euros, no matter what the retail price was before. So just now, all around the shop, you can go into the different categories. You can go and look at the different materials, and what you'll find is you'll find a lot of these different in a lot of these categories. A lot of the materials are going to be the same price as normal, but also a lot of them is going to be really, really, really cheap. So if you're in for a bargain here at peak fly tying season, then you should swing by Nordic Anglers and you should shop around. You should take a look at the different things that you normally use, because I guarantee you will find a lot of different very, very cool products at an insane discount. So for instance, there's a lot of these really cool barred songer strips. There's a lot of different artificial hairs. There's a lot of flesh. There's a lot of basically a lot of everything right now in the store at sale for either 1.3 euros or 2.6 euros. And with prices like that, I guarantee you can fill a basket and make a really, really big order and save just a ton of money. And a lot of people have been doing that. It kind of feels like it's a new Black Friday in the shop because we have quite a lot of orders. Also, for instance, the Varivas hooks, because they're going to be discontinued, they're really, really cheap now as well. Awesome hooks at a really steep discount. So basically, we have one of our biggest sales ever, and the prices in this sale is just out of this world when it comes to the actual discount you pay for these. So I would urge every single one of you out there who watches this video to swing by Nordic Anglers, to click around, to see all this different stuff, and then just to get some of the best bargains you will see, and I'm very sure you'll see this year or in many years. That's it for now in regards to this new sale. We still have a lot of different stuff that has been on sale for a while, but that I still want to highlight here. Those are going to be those are going to be located in our sales category. For instance, we have full rabbit pelts for only 9. For around 9 euros, which is really, really cheap, and you can get just an insane amount of songer strips out of these. Also make some really big ones for pike flies and stuff. Just a great bargain. And of course a lot of other stuff as well in the sales category. But I also want to show you these. These is a fairly new product. We've had these in the shop for maybe since early winter, and these are really, really fast becoming one of our top selling products. This is the Ewing variety packs, and basically what you get inside here is this is the soft pack variety. Is just an insane amount of soft hackle feathers, and on these there are some marabou as well. But basically a pack of a lot of different half or quarter of soft hackle capes and saddles, and basically you can see some orange, white, olive, just an insane amount of really cool hackles for a very, very sharp price. A very, very nice price. And as I said, these have fast become one of our top selling products. The price is around 38 euros for a big bag like this, and of course these vary from bag to bag. I mean, this one has some of the same, but not all of it. So the thing here is you do not know exactly what you're getting in each pack, but what I can assure you is you get just an insane amount of high quality feathers for all your nymphs, all your not dry flies for this particular one, but all your nymphs, all your streamers, all your salmon flies, everything like that. Everything you need a soft hackle for. This is the way to go. This is a cool and an awesome way to get a lot of feathers really, really cheap. So just to sum up, there is more than 3,000 products marked down, some to 1.3 euros, some to 2.6 euros. This is the cheapest these has ever been, and I really would urge you to go and see that. Also, we have a lot of other stuff on sale that is not part of this really, really bargain sale, and we have just a lot of cool new products as well. So I would urge you to swing by Nordic Anglers for a big bargain, and you know, this is we've not decided exactly how long we're gonna do this, but it's probably gonna run a week or two more, just to get as much of this stock as possible away on its way to you. But eventually this will stop, and we will mark it down, mark it back to the normal retail prices. And also a lot of these products are gonna be sold out because we're just seeing an enormous amount of orders just now. So get some while while you can, basically. I was almost going to say that thing that you tell me I can't say because it's not English, but yeah. While the getting is good. Yeah, get some while the getting is good. It's going to be a catchphrase. Yeah. Pardon me, I'm from Denmark, you know, so basically that's it. Well, I think that about sums it up and covers it. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a good New Year's, well, hope to see some orders from you in this new year. We have a lot of fun things going on and a lot of great products happening this year. So I think that 2024 is going to be a really, really good year. Well, yeah, the optimism is there at least. So. We'll see how it turns out. Now, enough of the ranting. Swing by Nordic Anglers, get some bargain stuff, and thank you for watching, and good luck out on the water.